This week's tech tip is brought to you by Mobile Bay Harley-Davidson.
I'm Neil Cater, Harley-Davidson. Got a fun one today. I have a lot of customers that ride in, they'll walk through the service. Hey, I need some help. My kickstand spring, I knocked it off. You know, whether you're at a bike event riding through a field and you hit a pothole, decided to jump off the wrong curb, and sometimes it can happen. Harley's had this set up for a lot of years now, and whether it's a 1/2 inch, a 3/4, or I think 11/16, this is a really easy way to do. Got to have a buddy. Here's Steve. Hold up. Okay, so let's just say it's flopping around. You come in and it's hung by a zip strip. You go ahead and pop this off. This is where you want to make sure that you've got held firmly. All right. Here's the fun part, because if you let go, you can bash the fender. Pull that right off. Move forward. And boom. There's your spring. So there's no stretching, no screaming. Popping it right back on. Give me just a second. Older ones, that sometimes the setup is a little bit different. Like I said, the nut size, but same basic principle. So you can damage some things if you don't have a good hand on it. But if you've ever been a little kid playing with an old screen door, pop the spring a couple times, this should be no problem. So if you're in a pinch, you know, it's getting it tight on there, but if you're at your garage or at your shop, make sure you got proper torque, and sometimes some blue Loctite doesn't hurt a bit. So look at that. In less than 5 minutes, we popped it on and off.